Mango chocolate swirl fudge, simple sweet treat sent from above. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, just one bite you can't get enough. Hello my loves, it is your girl Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan, and y'all know I love a decadent dessert. Well, we are up in the kitchen today with Cacao Bliss, creating a cacao-tacular, colorful creation of fruit fusion. Ooh, y'all, this dessert is so delicious. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some fierce fudge. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, simple sweet treat sent from above. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, just one bite you can't get enough. Oil, mango, milk powder, spice with the coriander shower. Cashew butter, chocolate mix it right, and we're gonna freeze this overnight. Pour in layers, swirl it round, sing a sound so profound. Top it off, then cool it down. Take on it and enjoy my loves. Cacao Bliss. I have been using them for about a year now, and y'all, it's such a dynamic flavor in every single bite of this fudge. In fact, I have some fudge in my freezer right now that's already made, so I'm gonna go grab it and show y'all exactly what we're cooking up today. Y'all, come on, check it out. Look at this delicious fudge. So I'm gonna have a bite. Yo, it almost tastes like a cookie ice cream cereal bar. The mango, the cardamom, the coriander, the cinnamon. I'm gonna show y'all how simple and easy it is to create this fabulously fresh as well as dreamy and dynamic mango chocolate swirl fudge. It's loaded full of plant protein as well as vitamins and mineral and flavor, seasoning and spice, y'all. All the different layers of coconut for this recipe. So I'm gonna pop this back into the freezer while we work on our delicious mango chocolate fudge. For this recipe, I actually have some very, very vibrant and fresh mango puree. There is nothing like fresh mango. All I did was skin the mango, take out the pit, take out the skin. I actually used a glass to just rub the skin on it, and out came all of that mango meat. And then I just popped this into the blender for about a minute. No extra water, nothing in there. If you want to, you can actually make a delicious ice cream using full fat coconut milk and add in the cardamom, the cinnamon, the spice, the nutmeg, and even some frozen bananas in there. And yo, that's gonna be so delicious. But yeah, so just some simple mango puree, as if I wasn't already obsessed with all forms of coconut. We have some coconut oil right here, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna start off this whole recipe by adding the coconut oil into your pan, get it nice and hot. And then once it's warming up, we're gonna add in our fresh mango puree. This is about 2 mangoes I have in here. So about a cup of fresh mango puree is just all kinds of good. Add that into your pan, and we're gonna slowly start to mix this together. Get it pretty warm. You don't want it bubbling or boiling or anything like that. You just want it on a nice medium to low heat. So let's give this a nice little mix. Ooh, and I can already start to smell all that seasoning and spice. Okay, check it out. So I have my mango here and my oil getting nice and warm in my pan. Coconut condensed milk. We gotta add it, coconut condensed milk. We gotta add it, coconut condensed, coconut condensed, coconut condensed milk. We gotta add it. Coconut condensed milk, of course, we gotta add this in to add in that sticky sweetness. So I'm just gonna give this a good mix. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, make it at home. I got my coconut milk powder, about 1 cup. I would say the equal amount of mango that you're putting in this recipe, you want to have that same equal amount of your coconut milk powder. So add that in and start to mix this all together. Whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk that mango fudge. Whoa, whoa, whisk that mango fudge. And as you can see, I am removing any of those clumps in my fudge batter, baby. Like I said, I got cinnamon, I got coriander, and I also have cardamom. So add that into, oh, come on, smells, yes. I smell the deliciousness. Can you see it? Swirling and whirling and living in all of that goodness. Oh, y'all, mango chocolate swirl fudge. Simple sweet treat sent from above. Mango chocolate swirl fudge. Just one bite, you can't get enough. And as you can see, your girl already had herself some bites and she's already craving more. And that's why I'm making more. All kinds of extraordinary. Let's set this aside and let's work on our cacao-tacular layer. This chocolate layer, you actually only need 3 ingredients, which is my favorite part of this recipe. In fact, if you just want to make a cacao-tacular fudge or add in some fresh raspberries, pumpkin seeds, whatever you like, you truly only need these 3 ingredients. So first ingredient up, we have some coconut oil. Here we go. I got myself my cashew butter, baby. Let's add that into our pan. And we're gonna start to whisk this up so it forms just a good mixture. You're gonna see it's gonna turn pretty white. And then we're gonna add in all of our Cacao Bliss. And once we do that, we're ready to swirl and whirl and do what your girl needs to do. Oh, and this cashew butter is good. Lightly whisk this around. You wanna make sure that none of that oil splashes back out on you. So I'm just gonna break this up slowly on a medium-low heat. And then we get to add in our Cacao Bliss, y'all. I have myself some coconut oil as well as my cashew butter all mixed together in a beautiful little saucy situation we got going here. And then I'm gonna get out my Earth Echo Cacao Bliss, and y'all, oh, I'm so excited for the flavor. This also has turmeric in it, which, if we're being 100%, that goes perfect with the mango, with the cardamom, with the coriander, all that goodness. So add in about 4 tablespoons or 6 of your Cacao Bliss, and we're gonna create a delicious, decadent dessert full of chocolate and mango. Ooh, yes, let that swirl start to come together. Ooh. So y'all, check it out. Our cacao-tacular layer is finished. Let me get a little taste. Oh, yes. This is everything I needed. Oh, it's so good. We got our mango layer and our chocolate layer. Now, my favorite way to do this is actually to lay out our mango first, and then we're gonna swirl in the chocolate. So let me get my mango, give her a go. Ooh, yes. Mango chocolate swirl fudge. And I'm gonna get all of this. All of this is going into my pan. Ooh, swirl, baby, swirl. Swirl, baby, swirl. Swirl, you better swirl it out and twist and shout. Okay, I added a lot. Ooh, I added a lot of our swirl, y'all, but that's okay. And that's all right, because your girl loves a good cacao-tacular situation. So give this a nice little flip. Just want to make sure that you have some pieces that got chocolate on them, some pieces that have some mango, but you don't want it all mixed together too much. You still want to see some separation, just like that. In fact, let me get a little bit more. There she goes. Give it a little swirl and flip. Give it a dip. Swirl and flip. You better give it a dip. It's so good by itself. In fact, you can eat it by itself just like this. Well, look what I got right here, y'all. I got myself some toasted coconut. I sprayed on just a touch of some vegetable oil, toasted it for about 2 minutes, very, very short amount of time because she will burn. But let's sprinkle over some of this delicious toasted coconut to add in a pop of texture as well as flavor. And as if there wasn't enough coconut in here. And then of course, because y'all know I love that little bit of freshness, that pop of green, I got some crushed up pistachios that are just gonna solidify all of the flavor, bind together the chocolate with the mango, with the cardamom, with the cinnamon, with the spice. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, y'all, it is about time to pop our girl into the freezer overnight. And then when you wake up, you got a delicious little dessert packed full of plant protein, vitamins, minerals. It'll give you energy to get you going and glowing. But before we do that, we gotta freeze them overnight and then chop it up, dig on in. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, simple sweet treat sent from above. Mango chocolate swirl fudge, just one bite you can't get enough. Okay, overnight frozen, cut up into delicious morsels of fudgy goodness. And what I love about this recipe is it always stays fudgy. Pop it out of the freezer, bite on into it. It's not too cold. In fact, keep it in the freezer until you're ready to dig on in, because then they'll stay nice and firm. And my loves, I had an incredible time with y'all all here up in my kitchen, creating a recipe that heals your body, feeds your soul, and is decadent as all get out. I will see you all here live in my cooking class up here in the kitchen, doing what you do with me, singing your song, doing your dance, and speaking your truest truth. Goodbye, my loves. I'll see y'all all there.